In this video, I will use Cron Job to process PHP scripts. So for example, I write a little script in PHP and run a job to process, for example, daily. For example, I have a very simple PHP script. Just echo this test. Of course, in future, I will write a very complicated script for Cron Job. But this is the basic, very basic PHP script. So when I run this script test the PHP, it outputs this is a test for Cron Job. So we can easily write a shell script. This shell script, for example, run this HTTP SSL. This is my test the PHP location, and I use wget to use this option. This no check certificate values or this option may you only get the output, not get a total file. If you did not use any this option here, use wget, you will get the file, not output. But this one, you will get the output here, display the output. So first run this script, you can see here. So first chmod plus x. Let this shell script executable. Chmod, sorry. This one. So after this one, then we can run this test.sh. So you can see you will get output here, display the output. So anyway, you use wget, you will run this test.php, run this script. But there's a potential problem. If we base it on this script to write a cron job, because everybody can access this script. So we better to modify this script. We don't want to let anybody access this one. So it's better to use PHP and run this test to PHP. So we better directly use PHP. Run PHP test.php to run this PHP script, not run by the web server. So we better to use PHP test.php instead of use wget to run this in the server side. We directly use the shell to access to run this one to create a cron job. Then we are in the .ht accessed. Run this file. Put this .ht access. Then we deny from all in this directory. So we made this server you cannot access. So after you set the .ht access, when the people running this one, you will get the error message here. So now look at this directory. I have to ht access to protect the test.php from outside. In the test.sh is a shell script executable. So when I check this one, I did not use wget from outside. I directly use the internal to PHP, run this test.php. So we can run the cron job. So now I run the cron job, not this one, Ctrl+C here. Cron tab -e. This is one. I will create a new one. So add this one. This is the each night 11 o'clock 30. This is each night run tsh. This script output in the test.log. Of course, if it's not the same directory, you can write a complete directory, and complete absolute directory also better. You can use the cron tab -l. Then you can list all the cron job. You can see this is a run daily. In the test.sh is a PHP script, and we run this one each night.